Good morning friends, welcome to our channel Education King. So in this video I am going to explain you about chapter number class 8 science, chapter number 14, chemical effects and electric currents. So now let us start. So you know the chemical, now you know the current, the circuit. Now you know the fan, the tube light, the iron. You know this all work with electricity. Now in the switchboard, if you will connect the TV, it will work. If you will connect the fan, it will also work. And if you will connect the bulb, it will also work. So this all work because of the help of the electricity. So now now I am going to explain you about this electricity, the circuit. So now you know, let us talk some important points about this. Like first important point is heat of electricity. You know heat, right? Now you know iron. Okay, now when you switch on, when you take the iron plug and switch it, and when you switch on, then you can see after some time the bottom part where it is iron, so that part gets heated. Okay, this is heat generated by electricity. Because of electricity this is generated, and there are such many examples. Now the second one is like the magnetic. Magnetic. Now the magnetic. Now you must seen the compass. The compass which shows the direction to east, west, north, south. So when you keep a magnet near the compass starts deflecting because of the magnet. So now if you keep a circuit, means it now take a battery and it is connected with a copper wire, and it takes a circle and again comes and joins the battery. So you know when you will take this compass near the circuit, it will start to deflect. Okay, so these are some examples of magnetic, and there is a chemical. Third one is chemical. So now first remove this. Now first let us learn in this part. Let us learn what are the circuits. How is the circuit formed? So now you will take a battery here. See, imagine here is a battery, and now first when we talk about electric current, you will get in your mind like the good conductors of electricity and bad conductors of electricity. So now let us talk about the good conductors of electricity. Now here is a battery, and with the copper wire it is going and attaching a tube light. So now I am coming and attaching this tube light. Now this again goes here, and this point, the another point, it is coming and it is here. So now when I will attach this, when I will attach them, the bulb will glow. But instead of attaching this, I will keep a conductor, good conductor of electricity, like iron. Like if I will keep iron here, it will glow. This bulb will glow. If I will keep copper here, it will also glow. If I will keep aluminium, will it glow? Please tell me in the comment section. And the rubber is a bad conductor of electricity. When you will keep rubber, now here this this battery here, the cell is giving the electricity here, and this iron is conducting the electricity and making a process. Now this iron here is conducting electricity, and it is giving to the tube light through the copper wire, and then the tube light is able to glow, and then this tube light gives once again electricity. towards the battery, and then this goes on. Now this main is that the iron here is conducting the electricity so that the bulb will glow. If you keep here copper, then the copper will also try to conduct electricity and glow the bulb. And now metals are more good conductors of electricity. Now here, this now which I showed was the good conductors of electricity. So now let us talk about the bad conductors of electricity. So now here there is another circuit which I have drawn. So here the cell is giving the electricity, passing the electricity, and here I have kept rubber. So now this cell is giving the electricity properly, but this rubber is unable to conduct the electricity and move forward. So this rubber is not good conductor of electricity. That is why the bulb is unable to glow. Okay, now this rubber is not having the power to conduct electricity and make the bulb glow. Okay, so now if you like our video, then please like our video. If you are new in this video, then please subscribe our channel Education Kings, and also click on the notification bell icon so that you will get more notifications of our video. Bye bye.